Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome. Take a comfortable seat or lie down and allow yourself to begin this journey of deep relaxation and calm. You're here to release stress. You're here to breathe deeply. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in and out. Now, gently bring your attention to your feet, your lower legs, your thighs, your hips, your sit bones. Picture a warm, soothing light starting at your feet, moving upward through your lower body. As the light moves, you say to yourself, "I am relaxed. I am calm and grounded." Allow that warm, soothing light to continue its path upward through your hips, belly, and lower back. Feel the muscles soften, the tension melt away, the sense of peace deepen. Now bring your awareness to your upper body, your chest, your arms, your shoulders. Imagine that same gentle light filling your arms and shoulders with relaxation. Repeat quietly in your mind, "I am calm. I am relaxed." Finally, bring your focus to your neck, your head, your face, your scalp. Let the warm light settle there. Lighten every thought, ease every worry. Again, you affirm, "I am calm and free from stress and anxiety." Now, take a moment to fill your entire body with that warm light, from the tips of your toes all the way to the top of your head. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the calm. Feel the peace. Feel the release. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am free. Stay here for a few more breaths, in and out. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring your awareness back to the room. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. If this piece is what you needed today, please subscribe for your daily positive healing. Ring the bell so you don't miss your next moment of calm. Until next time, be gentle with yourself. You deserve this.